Welcome to BGR Commerce Hub. Professional course. The BGR professional course is mainly designed for the accountants who has 7 years more experience and CA intergraduates who qualified their CA inter or who dropped out from CA inter. They can take the professional course in BGR Commerce Hub. Even you are struggling, if you are struggling in getting the job, if you are struggling in getting good increments, then take professional course in BGR Commerce Hub. The professional BGR Commerce Hub, the professional course of BGR Commerce Hub is covering depreciation accounting, fixed asset accounting, ROC returns, income tax returns from ITR 1 to ITR 6, company incorporation, finance part, cash flow statement, funds flow statement, ratio analysis, deferred tax liability and asset concept, which is covering entire advanced concepts, working knowledge on Excel and Word. This is going to cover in that way we are going to set our life as a professionals. In this concept, we are also going to cover GST registrations, how to conduct the minutes, AGM minutes, board meeting minutes, notes to accounts, financial statements preparation, schedules, notes to accounts, everything we are going to discuss professionally. This is a live and industrial oriented project. How to maintain fixed asset registers. This is total advanced concepts. After completing the course, what jobs profile you are suitable, for which job profiles, job career. You can settle your life as a accounts manager, taxation manager, finance manager. You can settle your life as a consultant, tax consultant. You can settle your life as a AGM finance, GM finance. These are the job roles you can expect, high profile roles. Purely it is suitable for accountants who is having more than 5 years experience, CA intergraduates or CA inter dropout candidates, tax consultants, they can take this course. This course duration is 2.5 months, 2.5 months. Course fees will be 15,000 per entire 2.5 months. So when come to interview process, we will send the candidate to the interviews. After conducting 2 demo interviews in our institute, after testing your knowledge, practical knowledge, then we will send the candidate to the interviews. The interview you have to attend to the companies and you have to face interviews. This is totally formal procedure. So if you want to become a professional in the field of finance, accounts and taxation, then you can take this professional course from BGR Commerce Hub. So for any further inquiries, you can contact in the office institute for more further details.